Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, where you will learn everything about making easy passive income online. My name is Oscar. I'm a full-time nurse in California, and I love side hustles. If you're interested in creating multiple streams of income, then this is the perfect channel for you, so please subscribe below and let's get started. In today's video, you are going to be getting a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per month as a complete beginner. This is going to be a full tutorial, so make sure you stay with me all the way until the very end of the video. We're going to be talking about Shopify today and how this guy is earning $10,000 or more by making videos about Shopify. Crazy. If you don't know what Shopify is, it's basically an online e-commerce website that helps anybody like me and you create their own online store, okay? Bring your business online. Create an e-commerce website backed by powerful tools that help you find customers, drive sales, and manage your day-to-day website, okay? The cool thing with Shopify is that anybody can get started today, and it's really easy, it's really simple. Now with Shopify, you don't even need to make a Shopify store to make $5,000 per month. You can make $5,000 per month by referring people to Shopify, and it's called affiliate marketing, okay? If you look at the Shopify affiliate program, they are going to be paying you around $100, $150 every single time someone signs up for a Shopify program. It's called affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically, affiliates promote a product or service on their website. In this case, Dan Vaz has 335,000 subscribers on YouTube. He made a complete Shopify tutorial that gained him over 6 million views. Okay? If you click on his link, Shopify 1 month free trial, and you sign up for Shopify, he is making around $100 to $150 every time someone signs up for a Shopify trial membership. Okay? If you look at this, customer clicks and converts. Whenever one of his viewers, one of the 6 million people that viewed his video, customer clicks and converts, conversions are tracked by Shopify. Shopify is going to be paying the affiliate a commission of $100 to $150 every time someone clicks on this link. Okay, 6 million people. He doesn't need to convert that many people to make $10,000 just from one video. It's completely insane. Okay. Now, how can you get started with the Shopify affiliate program? All you gotta do is click this button right here, start earning, become a Shopify affiliate partner. What requirements do I need to meet to apply? How will I know if my application is accepted? How are referrals tracked? And what is the commission structure? So let's look at the commission structure first. You're eligible to receive a commission for merchants that you refer to a paid Shopify plan through your affiliate link. There is no maximum number of merchants you can refer. They want you to earn as much as possible because they are making a lot of money. How does the payment work? So the Shopify affiliate program supports only PayPal for affiliate products. Okay? For credits created for the 1st to the 15th of the month, the payouts will occur every 5 business days after the 15th day of the month. And you need to just have a threshold of $25. You can make videos about making Shopify, for example. If you look at Don Voss's account on YouTube, he makes a ton of videos on different things from Amazon FBA, Shopify, Amazon, Shopify, because these programs are paying a ton in commission, okay? He is making a ton from people just clicking on a Shopify link and starting a free trial. I suggest making a YouTube channel in terms of Shopify if you know how to use Shopify, or you can also make videos on whatever you're passionate about, okay? You can use something like TubeBuddy, for example, and it's going to help boost your channel to the top. TubeBuddy is a free browser extension and mobile app that integrates directly with YouTube. It helps you run your channel with ease. They're going to do advanced keyword research for you. Let TubeBuddy help you find high-performing, searchable videos, topics, and then craft the perfect titles and tags. It's going to cut your publishing time in half. Hit the ground running with TubeBuddy's suite of time-saving templates and tools to drastically speed up your publishing time. It's going to help you rank higher in search results. TubeBuddy will guide you through YouTube's best practices and ensure your videos are set up for success. get more views and subscribers, use a variety of tools to help promote your videos across the web, and use your existing videos to drive traffic to new uploads. Test, tweak, and win the click. They're gonna teach you how you can do thumbnails, and it's been used by over 3 million people from YouTube creators and different brands all over YouTube. And you could get started with affiliate marketing and you can earn $10,000 commissions like Dan Voss. I suggest signing up for clickbank.com and not just promoting Shopify, but promoting tons of different programs. Now, what is ClickBank? ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace. They have tons of different products that you could promote. It's available in over 200 countries for over 20 years. They've been doing this for so long now, with over $4 billion paid. You can become an affiliate by clicking this link below and click Start Promoting. Nearly 100,000 affiliates power ClickBank's vast marketplace to promote top-performing, compliant products and to get paid on time every time. They have products on there that's earning $3,000 per conversion. $3,000. Once you sign up, it's going to take you to their marketplace and you can see tons of different programs that you can promote. At the very top of the list is the Bots Live Trading Room, and it's converting at $3,000. So if you make videos on stock market, the finance niche, and you promote this Bots Live Trading Room program, you can earn up to $3,000 in commission. Your videos can only get 100 views, for example. If you only get 100 views on your video, if one person clicks on the link and buys the actual program, you will be making $3,000. The Handsome Guy Secrets, $1,347 per conversion, okay? To make $10,000, you don't need to convert that many people, okay? $10,000, convert 10 people to click the link. If your video accidentally gets like 100,000 views, for example, miraculously gets 100,000 views, you only need 10 people to click the link and you can make a ton of money. You can also make videos promoting these different types of programs and you can make money that way. There's tons of different categories, from arts and entertainment as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing, computers and internet, cooking, food, wine, education, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home garden, languages, politics, tons of different programs that you can promote. This one right here, crypto. Crypto is currently blowing up right now, and they're paying $700 in commission. If you want to make an easy $2,000 per month, you can make videos on crypto news, get 2-3 people to go buy this program. You make $2,100 really easily aside from AdSense. You don't need 1,000 subscribers to make money with YouTube. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, you can get started below. There's a free video, a free tutorial for anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin. All you gotta do is enter your first name, enter your email address, and click the Get Instant Access button now. It's gonna take you from a complete beginner to a complete master in affiliate marketing. That is it for today's video. I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.